Good afternoon, everyone. Jack McGrath with ntmarkets.com. Well, it's an interesting day. We had the reversals yesterday afternoon, and the markets went up overnight and met their objectives. We were looking for 11.5 in the 10-year note. 12 was the high. We were looking for 147 even in the bonds. 147.04 was the high. So, and then that was it. That's really all you were looking for off of that price pattern. Now, it looks to me like the way the market traded and closed, you have probably looking to resume this downtrending market in the long end. So I think the levels do matter. I think that you got to keep an eye on where we're at, like this 05 level on the 10-year. And also the low that was 03.5, interesting enough, it was November 2nd open, and then that was the day where we had the trade down towards 24.5. So I think if you start to take out 03.5 to 132 even and a half, you're going to see some good downside pressure in the 10-year. The bonds, you need to keep an eye on. We got down to 09 today. I like that 13 level. It was earlier. It held several different times, and we bounced back up to 19. That was a nice range to trade. And 21 was a level on the upside. I purchased 21s earlier, and you know, you could. That's when we traded up to 26 and then failed. So all these levels are coming into play, but I really think that the downtrend should continue the way the bar looks today on both the 10-year and the bond. So we'll be paying attention that for tomorrow. And if you start to take out some of these support levels, I think you can get an extension, pretty good size extension lower in these markets. S&Ps, it feels like you're looking for some kind of deal to be agreed upon for this fiscal cliff, just the way they've held in and traded up today. Seems like there's something that's brewing behind the scenes that we don't know about, but be careful if you're playing the S&Ps from the short side. I think that if you did get some kind of deal, you could see a trade up towards 1450 pretty easily. So
pretty tough.
You want to be cautious about getting short. Even though you did have the reversal in the S&Ps, it met its objective also overnight with that 27.25. I think it was 27.25 low. And then today's low is 28.25. So
how about you?
We'll keep an eye on those. Have a nice afternoon. It's Jack McGrath with ntmarkets.com. Thank you.